I just felt so stagnant. I felt so stuck. I felt so trapped. After like 2 months of watching her and watching what she's been experiencing, I'm like, I've got to try this. I've got to see what this is all about. You know, I got my 3 steps. I started to feel amazing. I started to feel much better. I was waking up with more energy. And then, you know, I lost 65 pounds. I really just needed something, and Thrive gave me that edge to have more energy, to just do little things, you know? And I think that's what's important for people to understand, is that it's not about just all of a sudden, hey, you're gonna wake up one day and be skinnier, or you're gonna be living the life that you wanna be living. It's you start one thing at a time, like little baby steps towards those bigger goals. And Thrive helped me to start taking those steps.